Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Marriott Bonvoy credit card account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Marriott Bonvoy account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser. I have already opened the Google Chrome, as you can see, and on the search bar click over there and type in Marriott.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Marriott Bonvoy credit card login on the Google itself and hit enter, and you can see the Marriott.com on the second result of Google. Click over there, sign into your account. Now this is the home page of Marriott.com. Now to log into your Marriott Bonvoy credit card account, you can see the sign in option available over here on the top right corner of the screen. Click over there and you can see sign in option available. Click on sign in and you'll be required to enter your email or your member number over here, and then after that enter your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your Marriott Bonvoy credit card account. Or if you have not yet created a Marriott Bonvoy credit card account, you can simply click on activate online account to go through a sign up process of Marriott Bonvoy credit card account. Or if you forgot your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a process where you can retrieve your password. And there guys, this is how you log into your Marriott Bonvoy credit card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.